Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. How much seed you plant? And how much fruit you expect to reap? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, chapter 9, from verse 6 to verse 15. So, this I want to remember. The one we plant a little bit of seed, I go reap a little bit of seed. And the one we plant a whole heap of seed, I go reap whole heap of seed. Everybody must give what them decide in them heart, so them forgive. You know forgive and then sorry say you give. Nobody should have to force you to do it neither. Because God love people who are happy to give. God have the power to give you all when you could have need. And Him will always give more than enough so that you can give to people who need it. He write down in a God word say, God always give the poor what them need. Him no hold back nothing from them. Him good and kind forever and ever. Now, God we give the farmer seed for plant and we give people bread for eat. Him we go to all the seed when we would need for plant, and Him we make them grow too. Him we make sure so you always have more than you need, so that you can always give to other people. Him we give you everything where you need so that you can always give to other people. And when you share when you have with other people, you will cause them to give God thanks too. So when you share when you have with the Jew them in a Judea, we believe in a Christ Jesus, you no only give them what they need, but you cause them to give God thanks. Enough. Sake when you do, them will praise God, cause you believe and follow the good news about Christ Jesus, and cause you share when you have with them and other people too. Them love you and well want to see you. And when them a pray, they remember you. Cause they see how God bless you and use you to help them. Enough. Thank God for the gift we Him give you. That gift is so big and so good. I don't even know how to talk about it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.